Hi, I'm Jonas from Artome. Today we are in Switzerland in the city of Brig. And here with me I have Olivier. Hi, nice to meet you.
My name is Olivier Mermod. I'm the headmaster or principal of that small little nice school.
So, what were the main principles when you started to plan the renovation school?
And this renovation, this was a dormitory and a flat for students. And we said we need more space, open space for students. So we planned like 5 years ago to making the plans and stuff. And we were looking for a good system because we knew there were different rooms and we need some flexible stuff to educate our students. And so that was the reason why we found your nice product, Artome.
So how do you see that the flexible solutions support the pedagogical targets?
Okay, our students are from different levels and they have different interests. So with that product, we can really go into that and use new technologies, of course. They can interact directly with the product. They can connect with the product. It's flexible. We can even change the walls. We don't need to have it here. We can switch the room and have a new setting, and it shows that they have to be flexible in the future world, and that's a part what we can demonstrate with that Artome. That's for us, it's really a nice thing.
Yeah, with this type of product, you can enjoy the immersive experience with the product.
Exactly, and it's great because we have a BIOT system, bring your own device. The teacher have to bring their own device and they can connect directly with the Artome and use it as interactive product. Like years ago, we had to use Blackboard and all the stuff, and now you just to have whatever, an iPad, a Samsung, whatever tablet, and you can interact directly, and the students, they see that. Yeah, and it's really a flexible product, and good is that you can manipulate the size of the screen. And that was a problem before because we had fixed screens, and we have bigger class, we have to make it bigger, and now we can do it. We just have to move a little bit at the screen. Right? Maybe you have to switch the wall, but that doesn't matter. We have a lot of walls in that building, and it's good. Even for our conference of the teachers, we use it, and we go in a different place, and we can really have that big screen and stuff, and that's really good.